Greetings, dear friends. Now, after watching this video, you will always be able to polish headlights in 5 minutes. It's very easy and each of you can do it. Don't forget to write in the comments where you are watching us from. I'm very interested in knowing where my viewers are. I promise to like every comment. Toothpaste contains abrasive particles that do an excellent job of removing plaque and yellowness. Then take 1000 grit sandpaper. Begin to gently polish the headlight in a circular motion, distributing the force evenly over the entire surface. Gradually work your way up to lighter grit paper to achieve the perfect smoothness and shine. When the headlight is almost completely polished, apply the gel as I show. Rub it in thoroughly until the headlight begins to shine. Finally, apply some WD-40 and gently wipe the headlight dry. This will not only add shine, but also protect the surface. Your headlight should now look like new. Try this method and see for yourself how effective it is. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next videos.